Okay, here we have this beautiful, sleek, and modern design ceiling fan. It's 52 inches, very well made, beautiful nickel color. The light is super bright. It comes with a remote control. You can turn the fan off. It puts an excellent breeze. There. Very quiet, as you can see. And works excellent. It was very easy to install. It took my husband about 25 to 30 minutes to do it, in between taking off the old fan that wasn't working and install this one on. It comes with a timer also here. You can put it for 1, 3, or 6 hours. You can turn off the light and turn it on. And it brightens the room, as you can see, completely. Super nice fan.
I am loving my new fan. This one's in a bedroom, but I actually bought two. Great. This is speed 1, and it's just where I leave it on. I felt like that's good enough. The lights, there's dimmers. I'm going to show you this. This is the remote. I love it. It's got plenty of speeds. It has a light on, light off from your bed. You don't have to pull on any chain from like the old ones. It has a 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour. If you put it on for 6 hours, it'll turn off. And has a dimmer. The plus and minus is for the light. So you can actually have 3 different types of lights. And these lights change. This is kind of more warmer light. It doesn't catch it, but it's very yellowish color, warm. And then it gets brighter, and you might be able to see it. I don't know in the video. I don't know if you can see it. If it got a little darker. Don't know, because again, I'm looking up at the light. But anyway, I love it. I'm glad I purchased it. It fit perfect. It was very easy to install. Had great directions. I would show you, but I don't have them anymore. And I'm really happy with it. And I bought this one in white and the other one.
Okay, here's my review of the fan. As you can probably see, the housing is a little warped. It's quiet, it moves a lot of air, which is great. You can see the cover that covers the bracket on the ceiling. It doesn't have a trim ring to cover the screws. There wasn't one in the box, so you get to look at the screws, and then you get to look at that wobble. But it's smooth and quiet, and it moves a lot of air.